Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or the Bitcoin prediction. We came back again in another video. So, as you see here, what the Bitcoin given us here in that zone, as we said before, here, that one, as you see it, because it came to that zone here, but he couldn't break it now. So now it's showing there a stronger rejection. So, as I told you before, I told you, if it doesn't give us here a big W like that, there is no entry yet. Also, we're still waiting what the market going to do. And here in my chart, as you see it, also we are very close to the top of the channel, the daily channel. Yes, here the Bitcoin, it's breaking for us that long-term trend again. So that one, it's been a false breakout here. So we need to wait and know what's going to happen in the coming days. As you see it here, as you see here, the Bitcoin, what it done for us, he came back inside that long-term trend, that one. As I told you before, that one is very, very long-term trend. He came back inside it by that candle. But here in that zone is showing us a rejection, and here we got that channel, the upper of that channel. So we need to wait in what's going to do. Till now there is no entry yet. The entry is going to be when it's going to break for us that lower channel, that one, because that one is a down channel. We've been followed for long now, and when it touch the lower of it here, sorry, let me show it to you. When it touched the lower of it here in that zone here, as you see it, he went up till here, he touched the up of it. Now he fell down again here. Now it's very close to it. So we need to make a close eye what the market going to do in the coming days. Everything is too clear here and here in the weekly. Now it's going to the weekly to see what the weekly do until now. The weekly it's showing us here we got a very stronger level, guys, as you see it. And you can even draw here a channel like that. So now if the Bitcoin came back and touched the upper of the channel here, that's the right time for everyone to enter long in the Bitcoin, because as I tell you, it needs to come here and to break for us that the 200 moving average. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. Also, we still down in the 200 moving average. It might that one just a trap for you to enter, and then the Bitcoin is going to fall down again. So make a close eye at it. As you see, the Bitcoin here, it touched for us the lower of that wedge. It came upward, but it couldn't here give us a lower trend. So now for us to know that downtrend here we've been following is going to change. It's need here, as you see it here, it give us a low. It's need here and here the high. But here, he couldn't break for us the last low. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you and to explain to you those things I'm talking about. As you see it here, what else we said, also here we've been in a downtrend like that. Then the Bitcoin, it came here, give us a low. He came upward, he gave us a high. But here, the last low, here, that one, he couldn't break the last low here, that one. Now, for us to know the trend line is going to change, it needs the Bitcoin to come upward and to break for us the last high, which is here in that zone. Everything is too clear. You get the picture now. It's going back to the daily to show you more. And here in the daily, guys, if you see with me, what else we're talking about here, as you see that candle here, that one, it's showing a rejection, and it gives us here an indecision candle, as you see it. So now we need to know what the market going to do in the coming days. If the market fall down just to here, to that zone here, then after that, from here, go up and break for us the last high, that one. That means also we're going to change the trend from downtrend to uptrend, but till now not yet. It needs to give us here at least, because if it fall down till here like that, then it went up. Look what it's going to give you here. Here, like that, it's going to give you a head and shoulder, and that one is a very bullish signal, but till now nothing confirmed, guys, yet. So we need to wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us. I think everything is too clear till now. So let's go into see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in our indicator, guys, as you see it where we are, we're still here in the middle of that wall, and that's what me have been telling you all those times. I tell you, no matter how long we still down in that wall here, the bears were controlling the market, and that's what's happening till now. It zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it here, what you see in here, that zone also we drawing before, or that level. As you see it, it's been very stronger level. Every time he touched the price, he fall down. And here, also we came to the middle here. So till now, it's still early for us to buy. I'm talking here about investors. for it to buy, it needs to break for us that upper trend line, that one. And by the way, that one is very long-term trend. And here is going to break for us the last high, which is here. So till now, it's still early for you to buy. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, are you not subscriber yet? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. Plus, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free. Or you can join our Telegram channel. The link of it is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. So you done it? And please smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. Here, as you see, our indicator, guys, was here. We're still here at the oversold area. So I tell it to you before. Till now, it's showing here is going to go out. Zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it here, guys, it started going out from that level, but till now there is no buying yet. It's still a little bit of time. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see, the Bitcoin, it came to the top of that channel here and the 200 moving average there, and he's showing there a rejection. It zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it here, what the Bitcoin chart doing here in that zone, he's showing here a big rejection, and all those candles, they came big pin bars. They indicating that there is selling here happening. So it's waiting at see, because scalpers, they enter from down, they selling up here at the 200 moving average. I think everything is too clear till now. And here, as you see it, also we got a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, the market is hitting it now. That's why them they selling. But I tell it to you in the last video, I told you, if it break for you the 200 moving average and came to the top of that one, then he will make a retracement to the 200 moving average. And after that, he came and breaking for you the last high, which is you're going to be here. You need to enter long. May I tell it to you here very clear. If it came here, you need to enter long. And I show you all those things before. And I tell you here, what did I told you? I told you about the Wyckoff. What's happening here? It happened a very well-known pattern in Wyckoff. You can even go and search for it. So here it happened, the fake breakout. Now, is it up? Now, if it came just like that, came here, there's a retracement going to happen, maybe till here. Then after that, he came upward and break for you. The last high is going to be here. You enter long. But if it doesn't do that, don't enter long. Remember my word. If it came like that, from here to here, like that, then he came upward and breaking for you the last high is going to be here. You enter long, my friend. Till now, it's still early. There is no price action indicating here. Also, we are going to head for another bull run, guys. Everything is too clear till now. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, also we are here at the overbought area. And I told you that indicator is very rare entering here at the overbought area. And when it's entering at the overbought area, it's highly chance there is a correction. But my view to it, I think is going to correct just till here, till that wall here. If the market and the situation stay how it is, then after that it's going to go upward. But macroeconomical also is still in a downtrend, guys. As you know, the crisis of the gas here in Europe, the inflation, the Fed is still hiking the interest rate. So all those things, they are going to affect the market. And that week, the coming week is going to come the CPI or inflation indicator of USA. So we're going to make a close eye at that, what is going to tell us. Everything is too clear till now. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, what is indicating to you here. Also, we are at the overbought area. So you need to make a close eye at that one. If it give you here a price action indicating the market is going to fall down, you don't need to stay in the market. And here, as you see, it is very clear now. Look at it. It's very clear, stronger zone. And is it at the 200 moving average? So only a person who doesn't know what he's doing, he can enter now. But it's up to you, guys. I think everything is too clear here in 4 hours. Let's go in now 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin chart doing now, right now. So let's go into do it. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, as you see the Bitcoin here, so let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see here in that zone, what the Bitcoin giving you here, and here in the top. Look at it very close with me. He came down here and he came down here. He couldn't break it and he go upward here and upward here. he couldn't break it. And another thing here, if you look very close here, look at it, what the Bitcoin tried to give you here, a small head and shoulder. Not yet completed because here, as you see it went upward, but it needs to fall down again. I think everything is very clear in front of you. Look at it. That the first shoulder, that the head. If it happened the third shoulder here, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down. Maybe just till the 200 moving average. So we're going to update you when the daily candle finishes. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. You done it, guys? So as I tell it to you, there is nothing now new here in 30 minutes. Just that pattern I show it to you. And also we are in a very stronger level here. So the next level, guys, is it that one here, that one down here. As you see it, where I started from here, from that zone here to those peaks here, all those peaks. So now I tell it to you before, if the Bitcoin now done something like this, came back till here, till that zone here, then after that he came upward and breaking for you the last high, which is here, you enter long, guys, because what that meant is a high, low, and another high. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear till now. It's our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be very, very clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what it's indicating here, it's indicating us we've been at the overbought area and we are going down to the oversold area. So when it's going to be here at the oversold area, and if it give you a price action, and is it here at the top of that level or any level, is the right time for you to buy, guys. So remember what did I said, it's need that indicator to be at oversold, the chart of the Bitcoin to give you a price action indicating the market is going to change, and is it at very stronger level. That three conditions, then is the right time for you to buy. No, it's not the right time for you to buy. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes. Bye for now.